move my keys, the rocket moves. When I press the space button, the bullets hit the asteroids, destroying them. Once you have successfully destroyed all of the asteroids without the asteroids hitting you, you have won the game. Now for a code walkthrough. In the very beginning, I import all the things I'll need. Turtle for all of the rocket moving, random for the random positions at which the asteroids move, and math to calculate trajectory. Screen. These lines explain what size my screen needs to be, as well as this, and all of these. What this does is it tells the top section in the instructions when you run your program. What this does is it adds all of the shapes, such as my asteroids. Now I am about to install my rocket ship into my program. Now I'm showing you the code from which my rocket ship moves. This is my bullet class. This shows in which the bullet has to move and how it's supposed to move. This is the asteroid class. It shows how the asteroids move. This is the play part of my program, in which all of the classes and functions come together to actually run the program, and this is where I define how the ship is supposed to move when I get key input. And this is the part of my program that runs when I press start.